What up, guys? Wisdom here, and like I said, I promised you I'd get you some videos out once I get my component cables, which I did. And obviously, it's not 12 or what do you want to call it? It's only 720 by 480 for some reason because I can't figure out the settings. But hey, it's clear quality, so I thought that'd be good. So there's probably gonna be more videos before this one. There's gonna be probably like Cowboys versus Bears, Seahawks versus Falcons. There's gonna be like two other, maybe three before this video. So, and I thought I'm gonna upload them all after this video probably, but I thought I'd just bring you what my ultimate team looks like and how maybe I get some help trying to get it up. It's only a 95 team, so let's go to the active cards. I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, so the first guy you see the two-star Adrian Foster. I just picked him up like last week because I've noticed he's been pretty good. I should have bought him the three-star, but I really wasn't paying attention and bought the Foster. That's really helped me out a lot in the running game. Then with J.J. Watt, I actually haven't played one game with him, but I was looking at his results with the two-star and the one-star Watt. And the one-star Watt, the only difference is the FMOV. I don't know what that is, but it's like a 5 point difference, but everything else is the same for some stupid reason. And then I picked this up out of a pack the other day, a Pro Bowl one-star Russell, whatever the fuck his last name is. He's actually done a lot with the running game. He really has. And then with the running game, I have Marshawn Lynch when I need to do power runs. He's a really big factor in the running game. He's really good, but I really wanted to sell him, but he doesn't go for much anymore because he's that beast mode card, 100K coins if you get his cards. And then for the quarterback, I use mainly for my starters, Aaron Rodgers. He's pretty accurate. The week 6 fantasy hero gives +1 to whatever the fuck that means. Speed 80, not very much. Agility, not much. Injury, that's pretty good. Awareness, that's decent. That's actually really good. And then uh, throwing power, 97. The mid throw, 98. 98 short. And deep, 96. It's a pretty good card. And my second is a one-star, John Elway. That's pretty decent too. I mean, if you look at there's like the statics, I don't know how he's a one-star and Rogers a two-star because Elway obviously has better stats. Then Emmitt Smith, I don't use him at all. He's like my fourth, third string running back behind Ray Rice. He fumbles too much, so and he doesn't go for much. I'm just gonna keep him until collection comes out. But my Dave Casper, he is a really good card, guys. I recommend everybody getting him. Well, don't if you play Xbox, don't fuck game because I want to play you. But yeah, Dave Casper's a really factor. He can catch almost any ball, and I think his catching okay for an damn for a tight end it's 95 catching. That's nice. Spectacular catch 94. That's really good. And then I'm lacking on corners really bad, guys. So you're not gonna like him. I have a Dick Lane 99 one-star. I just spent all my money on him, 15K for him. So I don't know, it's a pretty good card. And another really good tight end. I like running standard double tight ends. One I like have Casper on the left and Wins on the right. And this is a really good card. Winslow 1-star. Then my safeties lacking, like I said, lacking safeties and corners. Pat Tillman decent. He's mainly good on like if he gets a good boost off the receiver, then he's good. But and if he throws it short, I think he's pretty good when you throw it too short. Then Ray Rice, pretty good receiver. When he breaks open, he's gone. I don't use him much. I've had him twice. I'm not impressed really. Then Charles Woodson, overall pretty good card. I like it. He's actually one of the corners I actually like to use because he jumps them right when he sees them. He's pretty good at reading the play. AJ Green, decent card. Nobody uses him. I don't know. I don't like using him, so he's not my starter. And this guy, the 1 million card, Haloti Nagata, I don't know if I'm going to say his last name. I've been fucking corrected 20 times. They collected 1 million card. Didn't get the 1 million because he was injured that game, so happened to be. But he's a pretty good card. I think I might give away, I'm not sure. But Michael Irvin, decent card. I've had him first day of fucking Madden, so. Lawrence Taylor, decent. I don't think I use him. I use Reggie White, definitely on the defensive line. Rod Woodson, like I said, blocking corners, just a regular Rod Woodson card. He's pretty good when he intercepts it because he can break tackles and run, but I really wish I can have better corners. And then this is what makes him a half my defense. The Clay Matthews, I get at least three, well, not well, like two, three, four fumbles with just these three Matthews and linebackers. And then I don't use Des Bryant, his Week 12 card. Not really impressed by his stats. As a guy, 'cause I like Cowboys, and I use him. Vernon Davis, really good card. I had too much tight end, to be honest. I really need to get rid of Vernon Davis, but he doesn't go for shit, so I thought I'd keep him. Champ Bailey, really good corner. He really helps out when it's man-on-man coverage or zone coverage. Here, let's go see. Okay, so, yep. He really got man covered. Okay, yep. I thought so. He's not good on press coverage though. It's kind of gay. You have to like put off on him. Urlacher, I don't use him a lot, but he has a lot of fumbles. I mean, oh, his tackle's 95, his hit power 91. That's pretty damn good for a fucking linebacker. Roddy White, he's a decent card. I don't use him. I might just give him away. I don't know how I got. I got him a pack. Yeah, I forgot. And then Robert Mathis, I might have to put him in because he has a +3 F, whatever that fucking means. I might put him in. He's a pretty good card. Greg Jennings, really good card. He a 93 card overall, but he can really catch. Like, look at his catch on 94, but he catches like a 98 or something like that. To be honest, Warren Moon collected, don't like it. Mean Joe Green collected, I love that card. You know he doesn't do anything. Nobody runs this game, so then my offensive line, Upshaw. That has really been a I don't know, like he sucks on the right side, but on the left side he's pretty dominant. I have three of those, right? Two more. Then my Ronnie Lott. Like I said, guys, I need some corners. So at the end of the video, I'm gonna tell you what I can do. Brandon Browner. I'm not gonna lie, he has his games where he can be a shit player, but then all of a sudden he's picking up fumbles, picking up onside, fucking intercepting it when it's like a short throw. Kicker Akers, he's gotten me a lot of wins in overtimes and just regular games. Earl Thomas, I don't know why he has 26 contracts and not using him, but he's a pretty good card actually. He got a lot of my interceptions on this team, a lot of them. Fullback Greg Jones, pretty good. Trent Williams, use him in the line. I don't use him. I don't know who the fuck he is. Russell Wilson, I used to use this. I got him off the Texans challenge. You got to beat Texans overall team, which I beat him for Russell Wilson. For some reason, when you play the Texans, the quarterback's fucking Russell Wilson. I don't remember Russell Wilson being on the Texans at all. But okay. But I got that card. I mean, he's a good card when he wants to run. But if you're playing some 9 overall team, the corners are going to beat Russell Wilson all the time for the interceptions. RG3, same thing. Good running card, but he can't throw against those 99 teams. Now I'm a fan of those big, fast, not big, but like I'm a fan of those fast receivers. So I kind of like Mike Wallace. I picked him up at a pack, an off-season pack. Well, those are some shit packs, guys. Don't ever buy those. I spent 30K and look at my coin, 629. But yeah, he had 98 speed, catching, not impressed, only 87, so he can't really catch. Joe Flacco, I had him for a while. I really liked him too. I used to think the 77 was long until I started Aaron Rodgers. I was like, fuck Flacco. You know, I still got him though. I got an Anquan Bolden, two of those actually. I don't really use them, but he can catch though. I like it. Will Smith, I think I use him for like a second defensive tackle. Deshaun Jackson, really good kick return man. Like if he has the agility of a fucking I don't know. His top rated card, I like it. Speed 98, agility 99. Okay, catching 94. See, like I don't use him as a receiver. I use him as kick return man is all. Michael, don't use him. Don't use him. And the ending guy is just basically people that I don't use. Coach Lovie Smith, I know their coaches, they're on my reserves. ADM, okay. I don't think y'all care about that. And then I had this Tom Flores playbook. I mean, I don't like it because you don't come out in shotgun. You come out standard every time. I'm more of a shotgun guy. So I use the 49ers offensive playbook. And I'll actually go show my lineup real quick. See if you guys. Alright, so here's the thing with the corners and what I need. I need corners and good receivers, like I said. So maybe we can, well, not maybe, but if you're interested, just hit me up on Skype, YouTube, add me on Xbox. You can obviously my username in the bio, of course, not leaving it out. Um, hit me up. Maybe I can buy some from you. We can trade. But like, if we're doing a trade, then I want to make sure it's a really good card for one of my cards because I'm really lacking on my receivers. Obviously, look, not the cast, but these three right here, Jennings and Wallace and Smith. And then corners, hit me up on those if you have any I can just have or something like that that you don't need. Or some tips or something, guys, because my corners are decent. It's just my Dick Lane. I want to upgrade to a 2-star. I want to get Woods. I don't want Woods there a lot. I just want to I want a Deion Sanders like 2-star, 3-star. Those are good, but those aren't just gonna happen out of nowhere. So I gotta get some coins. But yeah, guys, I'll be bringing you some Madden Ultimate Team gameplays too. Hopefully, getting my team good. I mean, it's a 95 overall team, so it's pretty good. And see, my record's 125.59. That's because I got some friends that like to show me glitches and get me coins. So that's how I mainly got my 30K. I'll be bringing tips and tricks on how to get some coins after I upload this video.